Guys, welcome back to my channel, and you see my haircut again, right? Good. Okay. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how to build a fortune teller. But before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, click that notification bell, share this with your friends, and comment down below. But now, anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing first, you'll need a piece of paper, a square one again. But if you don't have a square one, you can just fold it easily like this. Wait a minute, fold it like this easily. Are you kidding me? They're peeking out. I do not like peeking out. And then you folded it, and then you're gonna cut it from down here. Wait a minute, let me just get my scissors. Okay, got my scissors. So if you're cutting it, you're probably gonna cut it. Oh my goodness! Jesus! Like this. Wait a minute. Like this. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it. So, boom. Done. You can use like these and cut it into a square to make like a small fortune teller or something. And then what I'm gonna do is, oh wait, what are we gonna do? Okay, I remember. I am not gonna not remember how to make a fortune teller. It's not like the balloon, okay? You're not gonna fold it again like this. You're just gonna oh yeah, you are gonna fold it again. It's kind of. Okay. But the other direction. Boom. It's like swiping card and admin and not Mirror HQ, the skeleton Among Us, like boop, wait. Boop, done. Like, okay. So anyways, we did it, and then you're gonna just kind of like, wait, you guys can't see the floor. Why can't you see the floor of my, okay, so what you're gonna do now is, are you kidding me? You're gonna fold this into the middle, like one of these into the middle, and then do the same with all of them, like this, and this, and this. Done, right? You got yours ready. Flip it over, put it down. Or if you don't want to put it down, you don't have to. And then you're gonna do the same thing again. Take all of them into the middle. Do not take anything off of this. Just put the ones you have right now into the middle. There should be like two things opening, kind of, but don't open it. It'll rip. So you're gonna fold it all into the middle like this. Are you kidding me? Okay. So when we fold them all into the middle, you're done. But for extra touch, you're gonna fold it like this, and if you want, fold it like this, and then open it, and then you have it. So you see these 4 pockets right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. You put you put 2 fingers in one pocket, and the thumb over here, and the same thing with the other pocket. Okay? So are you kidding me? Mine broke a little. So, and you're gonna put 1 or 2 fingers into one pocket, and then 1 thumb into the other, and then do the same thing but with your other hand on the other side. Like this. The thumbs should be both on one side, and your middle finger and your index finger should be on one side, and then you can do it. So what you're gonna basically do now is, you see these, you're gonna add colors or write the color's name, and then what you're gonna do here is write some number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you're not gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll be that would be 4. So what you're gonna do is basically, you see these. You're gonna write 1, 2. Get it? Like 1, 2. There's one hole in the middle. And then when you're done writing all of those, you're going to write dares inside. So this is 1. If you want, you can draw a line. This is 1 and this is 2. So that's how you make a fortune teller. If you guys like today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Click the notification bell. Share this video to all of your friends and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.